Okay, here's one way of taking off surface mount components. If I can see over my camera. Some extra solder on there. Take a set of tweezers and go back and forth. There you go. And take some solder wick. I take solder wick and some flux, liquid flux. Add a little extra flux to it. And get this, take this solder off. Now, let's take that capacitor I just took off. Let's see. Tack it down on one side. Okay. Liquid flux. Ooh, this is hard to do. With the camera in my way. But I'll try to do it. Now you want, every time you want to reheat solder, you want some fresh flux on it so it's working for you. Push down on the tweezers while heating one side, flowing one side, reflowing rather, and then we will add, if I can get my hand down there, there you go. Sorry about my nice fillet. Not too much solder, not a big blob or anything. And then the last step would be to take some isopropyl alcohol with a trimmed down acid brush. Isopropyl alcohol is a good solvent for rosin flux. And clean that off, and usually I would use a suction hose, but I don't have one right in this second. And I'm just going to blot that with a